Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. What happens when technology, adrenaline, and 50,000 brilliant minds collide? Let's get started.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions. They blocking your vision, but no, you can't listen.
As I walked through the gates of IIT Kanpur, I had no idea what was waiting for me. I had seen videos, I heard stories about IITs, but being there, feeling that energy was totally different.
And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it.
I recently had a visit to IIT Kanpur for Techkriti 2025, one of the biggest tech fests in Asia, and trust me, it was insane. From drone battles to military tech to DJ nights, this fest had every damn thing.
All day and all night.
First up, Hovermania. Imagine students building hovercrafts racing full speed, floating just inches above the ground. No wheels, no mercy, just innovation in motion. These weren't just machines, they were dreams brought to life. Next, we look at two skies. Yes, the sky sparks. Tiny aircrafts pulling off wild flips and precious stunts. These weren't toys, they were expertly engineered flyers, controlled by skilled pilots. Then come to Multirotor, the drone battle. This wasn't just flying, it was a mission. Drones raced through gates, lifted payloads, and dodged obstacles mid-air. One wrong move and boom, crash landing. It was a pure aerial strategy and chaos. Then RoboWars. A metal cage, two robots, one goal, total distraction. Sparkles flew, robot clashed, and the crowd went wild. It was insane, brutal, but honestly addictive to people. The Indian Military Tech Showcase. Real weapons, real drones, real power. It wasn't a display, it was a glimpse into the future of India's defense. Now, Techkriti had much more technical workshops, inspiring seminars, startup pitches, coding marathons, and drifting shows, and many more. I could not attend everything, but trust me, each corner of the campus had something happening. If you're a tech lover, this fest is a dreamland. Techkriti 2025 wasn't just an event, it was a feeling, a celebration of tech, creativity, and minds building our future. If this inspired you, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment your favorite part below. Thank you. Thanks for watching.